sky. At night, we are enchanted by the brightness of the stars. When we asked ourselves where in space they would be living their reality, and at what point in time this would happen, we were left without answers. Everything we know about distant stars derives from the light they emit, and from what we know about the one closest to us, our Sun. After the Sun, the closest star is Alpha Centauri. It is located about 40 trillion kilometers from Earth. If we traveled at the speed of light, which is impossible, it would take us more than 4 years to reach it. All of these estimates about time and distances depend on the light the star emits into space. This means that the star is there, but we cannot see it directly, due, in principle, to the limited speed of its light, acting as a messenger from space. What we see through light would only be a code of information of which space would not be a part. Thus, if by a chance of fate, Alpha Centauri suddenly went out, we would only know about it after 4.3 years. For our subjective assessment, the star would continue to shine in the sky during all this time. It follows that even if the star's light had traveled through space at a previous moment, its displacement in time could not be directly measured. It's just that, in order to see the star shine, we need its light to be already here, and not halfway to us. It is said that the hypothetical death of the star would be an event that should be happening in our future. However, the future does not exist for us, because it has not happened yet. This information gap, linked to light and caused only by the impossibility of direct access, would be revealed after 4 years. At that time, we would have the impression that the event of Alpha Centauri's death would have happened instantly, and in the here and now. Our memory would be responsible for this delay in the translation of information. It's just that, when the light spreads out in our position, or when it ceases to spread in the case of the death of a star, we would instantly be looking at our own past. Thus, the zero mark of time seems to be always placing itself in our position, as if the time of the future would contain in ourselves. If you tried to place this landmark in the position of Alpha Centauri, you would be making an assumption without scientific support. Each observer would have his own zero time frame and carry it with him forever as he moved through space. Conclusion. It cannot be said, despite the evidence, that starlight travels in space. From our point of view, that light would always have been around. If it weren't, the star would cease to exist for us, as it couldn't be seen. Could this logical conclusion not explain instantaneous long-distance communication, also known as entanglement?